just that for thousands of years, mankind has been trying to harness the power of the wind. And it's refreshing to know that we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of what's really possible. And that all the advances we have made in wind farming to this point is just the first step. We have this limitless renewable source of energy, and it's real exciting to know that Wisconsin and the Milwaukee area have the potential and the resources to be at the center of this green revolution.
To remain economically competitive, there has been a push toward green energy globally in recent years. The American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, recently passed, has set aside over $70 billion in stimulus funds to promote renewable energy resources. Wind energy is a growing option for an environmentally friendly community and decreasing smog emissions. There are many advantages for producing and manufacturing wind farms in the state of Wisconsin. This video will show you the many reasons why your company should invest in the manufacturing of wind farming in Wisconsin.
Make the grass grow green beneath my toes, and if the sun comes out, I'll paint a picture all about the colors I've been dreaming of. The hours just don't seem enough to put it all together. Maybe it's as strange as it seems.
The most important natural resource for wind energy production is wind. Wisconsin has prime environmental conditions for wind with ideal topography and geographical features. It is also important to have clear distribution channels. Wisconsin is in the middle of the U.S. and is easily accessible to the nation. But why choose Milwaukee? Milwaukee has built its foundation on a strong manufacturing tradition. Foreign direct investment of wind farming in Milwaukee will create a return on investment because of the reasons we will name.
There are several economic advantages to coming to southeastern Wisconsin. According to the Department of Agriculture, by 2030 the population of Wisconsin will grow by 20%, or over 1 million people. The working age population will grow significantly every year. Milwaukee offers 3 highly research-oriented universities, which include MSOE, Marquette University, and UW-Milwaukee. These universities are working towards improving energy efficiency and how energy is produced. Currently, wind farms produce less than 0.5% of total energy used in Wisconsin. And by 2030, energy producers are looking to produce more than 20% of total energy from wind farms. With increasing efficiency of technology, the average energy return on investment for operating wind farms is 19.8%, a number that continues to grow with more research and development in the field of wind farming. Wind farming has a huge profit potential, and there's very little risk involved with the investment.
Wisconsin has ideal environmental conditions for wind farming. Wind speed in Wisconsin estimates that at 50 meters above ground, the wind speed is on average between 15 and 17 miles per hour. This depicts the resource could be used for utility-scale wind development. The Wisconsin landscape is covered in ideal locations for wind farming. The wind potential of Lake Michigan provides another attractive location for wind farming in Wisconsin.
There are several cost advantages of foreign direct investment in wind farming manufacturing in Wisconsin. The federal government offers many incentives for renewable energy manufacturing through the Federal Energy Act of 2005 and the American Recovery and Investment Act of 2009. Some of these investments include tax credits, guaranteed loans up to $6 billion, and federal grants. The state of Wisconsin is also offering several incentives. Wisconsin Department of Commerce is offering low-interest loans to for-profit manufacturing companies for projects that support renewable energy and energy efficiency jobs within the state. Wisconsin also offers grants worth a total of $15 million awarded annually.
It makes sense for foreign investors to invest in Wisconsin because Wisconsin provides distinct economic, environmental, and cost advantages. In addition to these competitive advantages, Wisconsin is just a fun place to be. Wisconsin boasts a proud sporting tradition with first-rate venues, and also hosts Summerfest, America's largest music event. Milwaukee caters to all walks of life and has something for everybody, whether it be visiting one of our world-class museums, attending an ethnic festival such as Germanfest, or partaking in our burgeoning nightlife. As we bring all these factors and advantages together, you can see that Wisconsin is an ideal location for wind farm manufacturing.